So speaking of generative AI, Walmart seems to be one of the early adopters for actually deploying some LLMs within their stores, within their corporate offices to help them with certain functions. So this article is very interesting because it talked about how Walmart has a very strong tradition of being, if you look at the build versus buy debate, Walmart is very much on the build side. They would rather produce their own tools and manage their own tools rather than engage an outside vendor. Whether that's a cost-cutting effort or they just feel better about their own tools, that's probably up to debate. But Walmart does indeed have a fairly large function, a data science function within their walls. So in this scenario, because they do, kind of shade towards the build side, they have decided to go ahead and build their own LLM assistants that they are using. The article cites that they are using it for press releases, for some project management, and also to process some of their internal health insurance claims. So I really appreciate the direction where Walmart is going with that. They are obviously, trying to embrace some of these new technologies. They are bringing in the creation and the management of them in-house. So it looks like they're building their own solutions. And then on top of that, I think they've correctly identified 3 different areas where a well-produced and well-maintained LLM can really help you.